What's the meaning of create? Create. Create.
Create. Create. The word create means to bring something into existence, to make or produce something new. When we create, we use our imagination, skills, knowledge, and resources to design and develop a unique and original item, concept, or experience that did not exist before. The result of creating can be tangible, such as a painting, sculpture, building, or product, or intangible, such as a story, music, invention, or solution. Creating can bring value, beauty, innovation, and inspiration to our lives and impact the world around us in many positive ways.